Hey there, Motorcycle Vlogs here with another motorcycle video. Today I'm back on the 2011 Gixxer 750, my husband on his 600RR, and I just wanted to give a little bit of context before I start this video. I do have to say I don't condone the riding that we do, and I highly suggest following all traffic laws and regulations. I really ride a lot smarter than what is shown in this video. It was really one of the first few nice days, and we were just really excited to be back on the bikes after a long winter. But that's no excuse for riding like a fool. And I would also like to add that I do not recommend riding unregistered bikes. I suggest doing everything that's necessary for your state guidelines to make your bike legal. At this point, I have lost this 2011 Gixxer. I'm still working with the tow guy, but it's not guaranteed that I may even get this bike back. So maybe you all can learn from my mistake. But I would also like to mention that I am very grateful for the outcome of this. It was my first motorcycle crash, and I pretty much came out uninjured. I had a bruise on my ankle, but other than that, nothing else. And I'm fully aware that it could have been a hell of a lot worse. And I will let the video play out from here.
Yeah. No, I'm good. That was my fault. I'm sorry. No problem. I'm sorry.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You alright? Sorry about that. Alright, can you move it this way? Start it up. Just start this fucking thing. Start it.
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
You got a plate on this anymore?
No.
Drive like an asshole, you know that?
Yeah.
Were you involved at all?
No, not at all.
No, you're good?
Yeah, he was in front. I was trying to catch
You have
up.
a license number?
Oh, yeah. We literally just picked the bike up, so I don't have
Like you
anything.
just bought it?
Yeah.
From where? Have a plate? Is it registered?
Not yet. Yeah, I just got it.
Alright.
I'm just trying to bring it home real quick.
Well, you know now I can't let you do that, right?
Oh, no, yeah, it doesn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna get, okay.
I'm not involved.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
I'm not involved.
You still have to have a license.
I'm not involved.
Alright, you have your license?
Mine? I'm not involved. No, don't make. Just worry about them. Don't.
I can't just worry about
Dude.
that. 'Cause now you're here, you got no license plate.
Don't do this shit.
She's got an unregistered bike.
Yeah, dude, make it about her.
So yours
I'm not
is
here.
probably-
I'm-
Yeah, I
I'm
just
a
picked the
good
bike
person
up.
that stopped. Don't do this
Fine.
shit. I'm good for stopping. I could have left.
Yeah, that's
Don't
fine.
do this.
So,
I have a license. I bought my bike. You're not towing my fucking bike. That's it. I'm sorry. I have a license, but you're not towing my bike. Sorry.
let me see
stopped.
your license.
I'll
And
show
as
you
long as
my
your
license.
license is
Yeah, book
valid.
that.
But
Yeah, book that right
you're
here.
kind of, that's fine.
No, I'm just letting you know, like, yo, make
Yeah,
it about
yeah.
her, not me. Give me something for stopping and staying, you know?
And I wouldn't give you a hard time, but if I ask you for your license, just
No,
help me out. Because
that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to let you
I'm
know.
probably
I'll
like
be-
the most,
I'll
because
be
I'm even
good.
going to try and help her out, but realistically, there's not much I'm going to be able to do because,
No, like,
Yeah.
you know what I'm
come
saying?
on.
I'm not an asshole. So don't make me
I
out.
have the
to
shit and
do
I
it, right?
stop, like, give me
Alright,
some
that's
credit,
fine.
you know,
As
I
long as
could have
your license
left.
is valid, bro, I'm not going to give you a
Alright,
hard time.
I'm just saying,
Are we
thank
good?
you.
Alright.
Well,
Just give me a
Christopher,
minute. Huh?
You don't shake
You're
hands,
good, man.
right?
No problem. Just
As
give me a
long as you
minute.
work with me, I work with you, you know what I'm saying? I
That's
stopped.
Because what's going to
'Cause I
happen is
could've
on the report, he's going to put you down as a witness. You were
Okay.
next to her. So that's all I'm doing.
All right,
Okay?
thank you.
But technically,
Thank you.
your whole bike, you know,
I just want to
Yeah, that's-
and whatnot, you know?
I got you. I'm
This
not
is
an
like
asshole, man. I
and
ride.
they'll run and
I
shit.
ride too, so
Thank you.
I feel bad that it happened, you know, whatever, and I understand it shaking up.
And we could have left from the accident too. and we
But
stayed.
so as long as you're okay, I don't have any issues, all right? So just give me a minute. I just got to do everything by the phone.
It's in gear, so.
All around front, so we'll around front, okay? I'll put you up here right now, and then I'll level it off so we can go easy. All right?
Let's see, which side of the hooks want to go on? The left or the right?
Left side.
Left side or right? Ready?
Yeah. All right, break it. Break it. Good.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.